Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. So let's say we're given this matrix and we want to find what the determinant is equal to. So how do we do that? Well, first, you take the first element of the first row, in this case, which is A1, and then you want to multiply it by a 2 by 2 matrix. But what values do you put in the matrix? Well, what you want to do is cross out the column and row A1 is in, and then you're left with 4 values, and those are the values you want to put into the matrix. So B2, B3, C2, C3. And next, you take the second element of the first row, A2, and then you minus it. And then once again, multiply by a 2 by 2 matrix, and you cross out the column and row it's in, and you're left with 4 values. So in this case, it is B1, B3, C1, C3. And next, you take the third element of the first row, A3, and you add it. So what you're doing is alternating between addition and subtraction. And once again, multiply by the 2 by 2 matrix, and you cross out the column and row A3 is in, and you're left with 4 values. And it is B1, B2, C1, and C2. And then what you do is just take the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, and if you don't know how to do that, I'll just show you real quick. So it is B1 times C2 and then minus B2 times C1, and then just do that for all other matrices, and then you'll find the determinant of the 3 by 3 matrix.